Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. A new, essential function is soon to be added to Shibarium. It's as follows. What matters is this. Remember that the upcoming week is a huge one first. And the reason it's a big week is because the Fed is meeting this week, and they're going to talk about what they're doing in terms of raising rates, what they're going to do to fight inflation, and a lot of other important details that we need to know about in order for us to move forward if we want to, see cryptocurrency blow up again and start to scale up in price. We have to wait and see. The Shibarium bridge is thus half operational right now. They completed a significant task here. So basically, they are constructing a Shibarium bridge at this time. It's currently just half working, but it's going to make Shiba Inu Ethereum and other things much more easily swapped. As a result, Ethereum bridge exchanges a large number of tokens, enabling token exchanges between blockchains. Likewise, right here. The crucial component is this. There are queries regarding the Shib army. Since Psalm promised that the Shibarium would launch before May, Itoshi. Consequently, a number of Shib users brought up Satoshi's earlier claim about the main net of Shibarium being released before May. I apologize. Notifications began to go up warning that April was almost finished. Shibarium Summer reacted by claiming that his statements had been misinterpreted, and that is why he doesn't provide dates. This is why I stopped talking about dates and how things might be taken out of context, he continued. He has previously mentioned getting the release of Shibarium before May. And right now, he's essentially saying, hey, it's coming out soon, but there isn't a set date yet. In any case, they weren't technically announcing a date yet when they mentioned May. Rather, they were more or less stating that it was a sort of aim. And this is what I do know, and it amuses me a little when people say things like, oh, they panic out because it isn't out yet. And as an investor, I've been involved with cryptocurrencies for a very long time and have witnessed a lot. This much I can tell you right now. Who gives a damn? Does Shibarium release tomorrow or in 2 weeks? Since we don't want to wait, we should fake him out tomorrow. However, it makes no difference. Long term doesn't change anything. How long have you been holding specifically? Probably a fair period of time. The majority of investors who currently own Shiba Inus do so for the long haul. So, who gives a damn? The quality of the Shibarium is important. It is prepared, so they will undoubtedly launch it as soon as they can. It's not as if they are being idle and just waiting. Rather, they are working tirelessly to get it ready because, once it is, it will be a big success. They have a motive to do so and now bear a significant load, so they will advance in their careers. So as soon as it is prepared, they will release it. Instead of releasing it before it is fully baked, I would prefer that they do so. Let's wait and see what happens when it is out. The good news is that, contrary to what he may have claimed, 4 people will likely be present in 2 days. Shibarium is soon to be released, and that will completely transform the situation. As a result, the price of Shiba Inus will increase. As a result, the price of bones will rise. Your knowledge of Shiba Inu related tokens will increase, and so will the value of the tokens I intend to create using Shibarium. All of them are chances for us to generate money, so I'm focusing on them. You could say I'm keeping a close eye on them. We have an opportunity here, everyone. That being the case, we'll keep an eye out for this. The launch is rapidly approaching. The Fed meeting this week will have a significant impact on the market as a whole. The 29 level has seen consolidation for Bitcoin. It's consolidated if you look at the most recent 3 days, for example. Thus, based on the information we have been receiving over the past few weeks, I believe that the meeting we will have this week will most likely result in a market rally. And given that Bitcoin is easily rallying above 30,000, we might even reach 32-33. We may easily make significant gains this week since 34 might be able to reach 35, which will also trigger a lot of altcoins to rise. Anyway, I really appreciate all of you. I appreciate your attention. In the following one, I'll see you.